Today, most of the companies are taking advantage of the technology transformation and evolution to create new innovation projects. Alipay from the Ant Financial Group is one of the greatest examples to illustrate this use of technology and turn it into a disruptive innovation. Alipay took the idea of another farming game 10 years ago, which failed 2 years after because of the lack of updates and the emergence of social platforms such as WeChat. Today, one of the big concerns of China is to make China greener. Alipay decided to use the idea of this first game combined to the environmental cause as an inspiration to create the Ant Forest, a tree growing simulation game. In order to grow a virtual tree on Ant Forest, users have used low-carbon alternatives in their daily life, such as walking or taking regular bikes instead of using car, paying online, etc. The green points help the tree to grow over the time. Once the points are high enough, users will be able to exchange those points for a tree. Those points varies compared to the size of the tree. Ant Forest transformed the idea of a farming game to become a virtual to real-world game based on the environmental issue. Therefore, once the user plants a tree on the application, Alipay will plant a tree in real life. With Ant Forest, Alipay wants to increase its customer number by focusing on higher social interaction between users. Alipay created the game to improve the environment issues and help organization. Almost 50% of its users are using Ant Forest in 2019 compared to WeChat and the donation stamp function, which is less than 1%. The number of users of Alipay has increased and the scale of the company has been expanded. The Ant Forest with public welfare has increased the social influence of Alipay. By August 2019, Alipay Ant Forest has attracted over 500 million users, resulting in 122 million trees planted in arid area in China, which equivalent to 1.5 Singapore, and the avoidance of 7.9 million tons of carbon emission. By August 2019, Alipay Ant Forest has created over 400,000 job opportunities for local communities and generated RMB 60 million in total income. At the same time, the application of Ant Forest has increased the public emphasis on low-carbon travel and has also made people more active in green public welfare. For all of the reasons presented during this video, we can conclude that Ant Forest is a good example of disruptive innovation as it changes the company, environmental, and society aspects. We can expect the transmission of good action for the next generation as Alipay impacted the current one. Thank you for watching.